We're back again at ProBuilder Show Village. SKYX platforms and SkyPlug technology has been integrated into both of the Cavco homes. From pendant lights to sconces to vanity lights, safer, simpler, and smarter installation by SkyPlug Technology. Included in 10 segments of the National Electric Code, making us a safer connectivity and a stronger mounting means. With safer installation, we now have the ability to plug in our lights in seconds. And for the longevity of the homeowner who wants to replace, update, or maintenance their lighting, they can do so in seconds. Our all-in-one platform is a total game changer. Coming out by the end of 2025, you now have a smart smoke detector, CO sensor, and a Wi-Fi repeater all in one. Now you have a speaker system with a clean look, and you still have the ability to install a light fixture right into the center.